Hey everyone, welcome to the English Room. I am Olivia, and I am so glad you are here. This channel is all about helping you speak English with real confidence. Not just textbook English, but the kind of English people actually use every single day, in real conversations, at work, with friends, in everyday life. And I am not doing this alone. My friend Josh joins me right here every single day.
That is right. We sit down, we talk, and we break things down together. So it feels less like a lesson and more like hanging out with two friends who just happen to be talking about English.
Every single day, we upload one new episode. No boring grammar drills, no long list to memorize.
Just real conversations about real situations. The kind that actually help you sound natural and feel confident. Whether you are a complete beginner or you are already pretty advanced and just want to sound more fluent.
Our goal is simple. We want you to not just know English, we want you to live it.
Because there is a real difference between memorizing words and actually using them with confidence in your real life.
And that is exactly what we are building here, together, every day.
So hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and come back every day.
Your first episode is already waiting for you. We will see you inside the English room.
Let's get started.